welcome to the channel. I am on a roll filming because my family is out between working and having fun, and I'm at home chillaxing. Not to lie, you hear my laundry machine going, yeah, my dishwasher's going, so I decided to work because I'm procrastinating on cleaning my beauty room. Let's be 100, Rhonda. Anyways, in today's video, we are unboxing the Ipsy icon box. This is a quarterly box, and this is for August. It's $58, I do believe. And I do have a link down below if you guys want to sign up. It's an affiliate link, just FYI on that. I have no idea what is in the box. A little nervous it's bent. It did come in another box with, you guys know, I'm all about packaging. It came with 2 of these, and then it came with the BoxyCharm by Ipsy and then the Ipsy Glam Bag in there. So if you haven't seen my other videos of the Ipsy Glam Bag and the BoxyCharm by Ipsy, I've already unboxed those. So I will try and remember to link the video down below for y'all. But I was pleasantly surprised. Nothing came broken. So I'm very hopeful for my icon box. So before we jump into the video, if you're new here, welcome. I ramble a lot. Little disclaimer, I am marinating in some sunless tan. It's been a few hours. It's not on my face, so things aren't matching, but it's fine. Like I said, I'm procrastinating, and I'd rather chat with y'all, chat with my friends, than actually clean my beauty room. Anyways, so shout out and thank you to my YouTube members for helping to support the channel. You don't have to, but you choose to, and I appreciate y'all bunches and bunches. Shout out to those of you that click that thanks button to help support the channel. Tip the channel if you will. I appreciate y'all so much. Now, Ipsy did send this over to me in PR, so thank you to Ipsy for that. Keeping me on the PR list when your girl has been brutally honest, but classy, not trashy. But I do appreciate the fact that they are willing to send it to me again. So the icon box is a quarterly subscription. I always try to show you guys what we got going on as far as shipping goes. It is a quarterly subscription. They typically have like a makeup artist or a celebrity curate their favorites with this box. Now we did have 2 pieces of paper in here, and there is no pamphlet in here, so I'm not 100% on, I think this is Vanessa Hudgens, is that right? I was on the website looking around. You are going to get up to $350 value for $58. And yes, the icon box is by Vanessa Hudgens. 8 full-size products worth up to $350. Take the beauty quiz, get started, and you do get to customize some of the items. The rest are going to be her favorite picks. So first and foremost, I see in here SL Miss Glam. It is a it is a sponge trio set. So that is the first thing, but unfortunately I have no clue if this was Vanessa's picks or your potential pick. So next in here we have the Huda Beauty Legit Lashes. This is nice. I haven't tried a Huda Beauty mascara in a hot minute. Is one side primer. Oh, one side's volume and one side is for curl and length. So you do get a full size of Huda Beauty. I would guess this to be about $26. Again, none of the prices are on anything, so I'm not 100% sure. Next in here we have the Alo Glow System Magnesium Reset Spray. Y'all, if you've never tried magnesium spray, do it. This stuff is amazing. I swear by magnesium spray. Just FYI, something that I wish people had told me. When you start it, you put it on the bottoms of your feet, and if your feet start to peel, don't worry. That's normal. I know. So this is really nice. It's a reset spray, and it has arnica, amla, magnesium, valerian, aromatherapy. It's a soothing mist for your body and mind, and it is in a glass frosted bottle. All right, next in here we have the Amika Multitask Repair Treatment. Oh, I love that. I love Amika products. Amika hair products are amazing. I've never tried this one. It's restore your hair from the breaking point with this multitasking repair treatment for stronger hair that has bounce. Ooh, yes. Yes, yes, yes. I'm excited about that. Next in here, we've got Toy Factory Sunset Squalene Powder Blush palette. All right, so it's in like a plastic type of component. Oh, that's pretty. So there's the shades. Ooh, they're nice and soft. Honestly, it kind of reminds me of the Lunar Beauty blush palette. Yeah, I like those shades. They're very light, but I think they'll probably build up pretty well. Next in here, we've got the Magic Serum Smooth and Strengthen. It's for your skin. I don't know who it's by. Joanna? I don't know. It's some sort of skincare product. Nourishing and smoothing serum that harmonizes and strengthens to support skin radiance. This is new to me. Have you guys tried this brand before? Because this is totally new to me. And then next in here, we've got the Wonder Beauty Skyliner Duo Automatic Gel Eyeliner in Jet Black and Tan Line. This I like. I've tried their pencils in the past and I really like them. My battery's about to die, and I like the fact you get 2 of them. These are so nice and soft. That's one thing about Wonder Beauty. All right, I got a new battery, so there's the swatches right there on top of the blush of the liners. They felt nice, and I've tried them in the past, and I actually really like Wonder Beauty. The nice thing with Wonder Beauty is I feel like it's really a really good brand, especially for the mature audience, you know. So like if you have mature lids, this is going to look really nice, and I like the fact that we got a black and a brown. So next in here, I've got the Lawless Beauty Forget the Liner Lip Plumping Line Gloss and Rosy Outlook. Maybe one I already have. It is. Okay, so I'm not going to open it because I do already have this. So if you watch my other video with the Ipsy Glam Bag and Ipsy, or no, the BoxyCharm by Ipsy video, I did a giveaway. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this in that giveaway for you all as well. Honestly, my thoughts on this box, I would say this is one of my least favorite icon boxes. Now keep in mind, you're making picks. I do believe you get to pick 3 items, maybe 4 items for the icon box. I'm gonna say my standout product is probably gonna be this Amika, because I really like Amika hair products. Yeah, I'm honestly, let me know what your choices were for the icon box. I mean, I think the blush palette is pretty. Again, this, I don't know if it was a choice or her choice. I think they'll build up well. That does not smell good. It smells like glue. But I mean, I'll play around with it. I'll try everything, but I'm gonna keep it real with y'all. This was not my favoriteest icon box that they've come out with. Kind of just missed the mark for me. I mean, let me know you guys' thoughts down below. Oh, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, that's 8 items. I'm definitely curious to see what the total value was as well. I don't pay for the icon box. I get the Glam Bag and I get BoxyCharm by Ipsy. But for me, this was kind of a miss for this icon box. Let me know y'all's thoughts. Like I said, your choices could be completely different. Her choices that she put in the box could be completely different. I know a lot of y'all say the PR has been different for everybody as well. So what I received, somebody else may not have received. I don't know. Actually, I'm going to put these in that giveaway too. The SL Miss Glam sponges. I have a lot of sponges, so I'm going to share those with you guys as well. If you want to enter into that giveaway, I will have the video. I'll try to remember to link it down below. Let me know you guys' thoughts. I'm always interested to hear what you guys have to say, what your thoughts are, your feelings. I am very happy and thankful that nothing came broken, because even my PR was coming broken. So not because they added more things to it. I think I just got lucky. So I still stand with what I said before. They need to package things better for us. But then again, some of y'all have said in the comment section, Rhonda, I've not had that issue. My Natasha Denona palette didn't come broken. So I think it's just maybe it's just because I'm on the East Coast. I don't know. That is all for today's video. If you guys made it to the end of today's video, thank you bunches. I definitely appreciate it. Don't forget to check out my collection with OFRA Cosmetics. And if you've already picked up my collection with OFRA Cosmetics, can I just say thank you guys so very much. I appreciate you guys so much. I was so nervous about launching that collection. I'm like, oh my gosh, no one's gonna buy it, and you all came through and you have, and I cannot thank you all enough. Thank you to those of you that are sharing my content and just sharing your looks with my collection as well. I will have the collection linked down below if you want to sign up for Ipsy. Maybe check out my other videos so you can kind of see what your potential picks could be as well. But I'll have a link down below for y'all. It is an affiliate link, so thank you guys if you do use it. Matter of fact, I will make everything and anything an affiliate link down in my description box if I can. So thank you guys if you do shop my links. I'm unfortunately underwhelmed on this one, which stinks, but can't win them all. You know, this may be your favoriteest box. Okay, that's the beauty of it. What I may not like, you may love. So I'm rambling. I'm hopping off for now. Thank you once again to my YouTube members for absolutely everything. Thank you to those of you that are clicking that thanks button and tipping the channel. Check me out on my other channels, Hotmess Momma Vlogs, for some curvy girl fashion hauls over there. If you're interested in my sunless tanner, it is by Bondi Sands. It is the Technicolor line. I will have that linked below for you guys as well. Take the quiz. Take the quiz. Don't purchase the one that I link. Take the quiz. Anyways, I have the emerald one if you are curious. It's been on my skin for about 3 hours now. I love it. Hotmess in the kitchen, and of course TikTok and Instagram at Hotmess Momma 4. And until next time, as always, kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye, friends.
What's your sign? It's like we're twin flames in a different life. Deep connection lights a spark. It's like you know me in the depths of my heart. We're dreaming.